Now, continuing here, I'm going to add the fingerprint unlock. So here we are, we've put in the fingerprints, we've done our security codes, and now it's finishing up. So now you get to see a little bit of the display here, which I think it looks very good for, especially for a $270 phone. And it's obviously going through the update process now and trying to bring everything in. But you see it's bringing up right now, which is standard Oreo onto the phone. So there you have it. The Nokia 6.1 experience. And thank you for watching.